was a duck, and a little duck was he, with fuzzy yellow feathers as cute as he could be. He lived on a pond down the road not far away, and when I go to see him, this is what he'd say: quack, 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 quack. It seemed he always knew the way that I was feeling. His love was always true. Quack, 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 quack. And when I was feeling sad, he always made me glad with the quack, quack, quack. He was like my best friend, and after school or play, Quacky would be waiting to see me every day. I'd sit down beside him, and I'd give him a snack. I'd tell him all my secrets, and he would answer back: quack,